Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts with me here, and we're going to work on the Sankyo from Aikido. This is like a hybrid version of it from the wrestling clinch, okay? Aikido is a great style, great footwork, gets your posture good, gets you lined up good, gets you to learn how to fall, everything, gets your body working together. There's certain techniques where you kind of need to look at it from a different lens to make it work more or less in a combat application, okay? So just keep that in mind, that you need to kind of tweak some things, all right? So this is Sankyo from Aikido, and we're doing this from the 50-50 over-under clinch. So I have the underhook on this side. I'm pushing down, getting wrist control. I want it to be on the top of his wrist. This is just your normal fighting position, right? I can get out of here. I'm going to shoot underneath, bring it up. Okay, I'm gonna move you this way, Troy. Okay. Here's the positioning. Okay, we can bring back here for chokes, for restraints. There's a move where we can drop them down, but this is also a break. You okay? Yeah. Sorry. I'm lifting and turning towards the center, and it's kind of getting a floating move. Here, over under clinch, I'm getting a hold of that wrist. I'm moving it down to where it's on the top of the wrist, okay? I can't be here. I was trying this earlier. I gotta feel the top of the wrist. And I'm keeping control here. I have control so I don't get choked, okay? And then I'm here. This can be a break if I just twist. So this is just your basic wrestling. He had the underhook. I'm pushing down, getting control, trying to control this. This would be, I'm trying to go for double underhooks, but I'm just getting a hold of that wrist, okay? We're throwing Aikido in here. So notice the wrist, okay? Here, I'm passing underneath so he can't choke. Here to here, okay? Notice what's happening. Fingers here, pushing forward and lifting up and floating. Again, we can turn here, okay? Bring them to the ground or break. We're here. Notice how this passes underneath here, okay? And we're here. Do you feel like you have many options here?
Not a whole lot. I'm up on my toes.
Yeah. So this is not something I just wouldn't want to leave him floating here. I want to get to my next position or just get some sort of tweak in there so I can get away. Get some sort of, I know it sucks, but get some joint or ligament so I can get out of there. Yeah. Again, guys, self-defense only, right?